If you'd like to use your iPad and zoom it up onto your big screen, you have to go through a couple of different steps. The first thing that you need to do is decide how old your machine is. Machines newer than 2018, well 2018 to present, will operate using the Monterey system, and machines older than 2018 will use reflector. So to determine the age of your machine, up in the top left hand side of your desktop you'll see an Apple, and if you go to About This Mac, you can click on About This Mac and it will tell you the age of your machine. So for example, the one that I'm working on is a 2019, and therefore I know I can upgrade to Monterey. If I was below 2018, 2017 or newer or older, I'd have to use reflector. So this is a Monterey machine and I will update. If you're not using Monterey and you want to use your iPad to project onto the screen, you need to update to Monterey. And so if you have a newer machine, if you go to the Apple again, to About This Mac, if you click Software Update, it will allow you to update and you'll be all set. Now, I'm not promising that that won't come without some quirks that might end up having you take your machine to the IS department to get a couple of those bugs worked out, depending upon how often you update your machine. If you don't update it very often, it might very well be possible that you might have to go see your friendly neighborhood IS department. Once you get updated to Monterey and your machine is newer for 2018 and beyond, you're all set, and here's the settings that you need to do. Again, you're going to go to the Apple. You're going to go to System Preferences this time, and when you go to System Preferences, there is a file. It's a blue folder looking thing, and it says Sharing. I'm going to click that Sharing, and the key here is to identify the Apple Airplay receiver. The default, I believe, is off, so if you click the receiver on and then choose Allow Airplay for anyone on the same network, that seems to eliminate a lot of issues, and then you'll be all set. If you choose to, you can require a password, and you can go ahead and type your password in there. If somebody tries to hack into your system, it will give you, up in the top right-hand side, an option to accept or decline taking over your screen. The required password, I leave it unchecked, but make sure that this Airplay receiver is checked. Once you've done that, you're all set and you're ready to receive from the iPad. Now I'm on my iPad, and what I want to do is I want to send my information. I want to screen mirror my iPad to my desktop. My desktop is all set up with my Safari system. I've got the plugs all shown. So currently my my computer is showing on the big screen. So how do I get my iPad to show on my computer so that it goes on the big screen? Here's how you do it. In the top right hand side, you're going to put your finger and then you're going to drag down from where that battery is. So again, I've got my finger, I'm going to drag down from this corner, and when I do, you'll notice that there is a icon with two rectangles. That's the screen mirroring icon. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to find my machine amongst all of those that are listed, and I'm going to click that machine. When I click my machine on my desktop, it will tell me accept or decline, and then if I accept, it will go up on the screen. I can't do it here because if I click it in screen mirroring, I'm already screen recording, so it'll short circuit, but that's how you'll do it. Again, any student in your class can do that. They simply drag from the top right-hand side, click screen mirroring, and find your machine. When they want to stop screen mirroring, all they have to do is it'll say right at the same location, stop screen mirroring, and it will go away. The kids will be given a 4-digit code, or you on your iPad will be given a 4-digit code, and then you're free to move around your room wirelessly, and your students can also put their iPad up on the screen so that they can show all of their work. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please contact Jeff or Jason. We'll be glad to assist you in any way we can. Thanks.